Welcome to Ashford International.
395025 off to Margate via Canterbury West. Victoria Pendleton. Looks like we've met a pigeon on its way down, or up, or side to side.
Please keep your personal belongings with you at all times when on the station. For your safety and security, cease.
The 10:02 South Eastern service to London Victoria via Tunbridge. Three 75606. To 627. To Delta 80, southern service from Eastbourne. Into platform 2C. Got 171806. Away from the driver. This will be for the 10:20. 10:25 southern service to Eastbourne.
Platform 2C for 10:25 southern service to Eastbourne. Calling at Ham Street, Appledore, Rye, Winchelsea or Hastings, St Leonard's Warrior Square, Bexhill, Collington, Woodham Beach, Normans Bay, Pevensey and Weston, Hampton Park and Eastbourne. This train has 4 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Normans Bay should board the front 3 coaches.
You must wear a face covering whilst on the station and on the train, unless you are exempt.
Platform 1 for the 10:25 southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. Calling at Charing, Lenham, Harrietshire, Hollingbourne, Bearsted, Maidstone East, Armine, East Malling, West Malling, Borough Green, Kempsey, Oxford, Swansea, St Mary, Bromley South and London Victoria. This train has 8 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Charing, Harrietshire, Hollingbourne, Armine and Kempsey should board the front 6 coaches.
You must wear a face covering whilst on the station and on the train, unless you are exempt.
Now departing platform number 2C at Eastbourne will be your 10:25 southern service to Eastbourne 171806. Nice driver. Also departing is the 10:25 South Eastern service London Victoria via Maidstone East 3175 10502. So 171806 to Eastbourne via Rye, Hastings and the East Coast Way. The 10:32 to Victoria. 315715.
10:32 southeastern service to London Victoria.
375908.
Platform 1 for the 11:25 Southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. Calling at Charing, Lenham, Harrington, Hollingbourne, Bearsted, Maidstone East, Barming, East Horley, West Horley, Borough Green, Kensington, Otford, Swanley, St Mary Cray, Bromley South and London Victoria. This train has 8 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Charing, Harrington, Hollingbourne, Barming and Kensington should board the front 6 coaches.
You must wear a face covering whilst on the station and on the train, unless you are exempt.
Platform 2C for the 11:25 Southern service to Eastbourne. Calling at Ham Street, Appledore, Fry, Three Oaks, or Hastings, St Leonard's Warrior Square, Bexhill, Collington, Cooper Beach, Normans Bay, Pemberley Weston, Hampton Park and Eastbourne. This train has 4 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Normans Bay should board the front 3 coaches.
You must wear a face covering whilst on the station and on the train, unless you are exempt.
Now departing platform 1C at Ashford International will be your 11:25 Southern service to Eastbourne. This is 2 Delta 23 171402, or in half of it is 170423, and the other half of it is 170424. To Eastbourne via Rye and Three Oaks. The 11:32 Southeastern service to London Victoria via Tunbridge to Golf 74. We got 375625. Three 375625 to 375813. The early 11:42. Yankee 22. GB rail freight service from Tunbridge West Yard to St Leonard's Depot. Thank you. 73119. Borough of Eastleigh to 73961, which are already on diesel. Okay, we got 375909. Three 375909 to 375921. Now approaching F3 Zulu 01, Colas rail service from Tunbridge West Yard to Donaldsmore, DBSO 9702, 37116 and DBSO 9702 to Donaldsmore.